Do you also want to create automated contact over the Mailchimp for the newly received Facebook leads? Then let me show you the working of this automation. So here I'm going to fill my Facebook lead ads form having the email address, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Mailchimp account to check for this newly received lead. So right here I'm on the contacts page of Mailchimp, which I'm going to just refresh. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving at this lead having the first name test, last name lead, and right here you can check out the mobile number and the email address which I have just filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that I have successfully built in an automation integrating my Facebook lead ads and Mailchimp. So now you can also do this by just creating an automation using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of application. So right now I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Facebook lead ads with Mailchimp for creating an automated email subscriber. So now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where if you are a new user then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial, so make sure to try it. And if you are an existing user then you have to sign in, and if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product, because this discount coupon code is going to provide you the most heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. And right here I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's connect with our Facebook lead ads, and right here I'm going to select my Facebook account which is already logged in. So as I have clicked over this continue button, again I have to click over this continue button. So here my connection has been built in, so make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly. And here on my Facebook account I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, which I am going to select over here. So right here I am going to select my this page named as the Magic Makers, and now we have to select the form. So right here I want to receive the leads of only this particular form named as new leads. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads, and the response format is simple. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's move on towards my Meta for developers page and get the Facebook lead ads form, which we are going to fill and receive a new lead. So right here we are on this Meta for developers page, where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And right here I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which will lead me to the lead ad testing tool page, where again I'm going to select my page, that is the Magic Makers, and here I'm going to select my form, that is new leads. And now let me delete my previous lead, because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And here my lead has been deleted. So now let's click over this preview form button. And right here I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill. So here I'm going to fill this form providing the email address, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data over there or not, as we have just built in the connection between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads form. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that 3 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Facebook lead ads form. So now here we are having the data of our lead. Now we have to create a contact over our Mailchimp account. So right here, I'm going to select my action application as Mailchimp. So now let me search for it. And right here, we are getting this application which I have selected. Now let's select the app event as add new member with custom fields. Now let's build the connection, and right here for building the new connection you have to enter the token and get the data center. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my Mailchimp account with me. So right here I'm on my Mailchimp account, where you have to select this profile, and right here we are getting this option for profiles which you have to select. And now here we are on this page where you have to select this option for extras, where we are getting this option for API keys which you have to select. And right here we are on this page where you can create your own API key. So for creating it, I'm going to move forward. And now we just have to click over this create a key button. And here I'm going to provide the API key name as Facebook leads. Now let's generate the key. And right here you can see that this is the key which is generated, so I'm going to copy it. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where we are going to add this token or this key. And for the data center, let's move on towards my Mailchimp account with me again. So right here we are on this page where you can see in the search bar we are getting this data center, that is US6, which you have to enter for building the connection. So here I'm going to enter the data center, and now we just have to save it. And here you can see that the connection has been built in, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the audience list, which you can select created over your Mailchimp account. And now for the email address, you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform mapping, which is a method provided by Pabbly Connect, by using which you can map the data of your lead from the previous step. And right here our previous step or previous application is Facebook lead ads. So from its response, I'm going to map the data of my lead. And the process is simple. You just have to press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. So from its response, I'm going to map the email address. Now afterwards, I'm going to map the first name likewise. So here I have mapped the first name too, and right here I'm going to map the last name. So here I have mapped the last name too, and now let's map the mobile number. So here I have mapped all these fields, and now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my Mailchimp account, where I'm going to move towards this audience, and here I'm going to see the contacts which I have created. And right here you can see that we are successfully receiving this contact which we have just created, having the first name, last name, mobile number, and the email address, same as filled by me in my Facebook lead ads form. So now you can see that we have successfully added our Facebook lead to the Mailchimp by creating an automation. And for creating it, you don't require any coding or technical skills. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.